Abra Crypto Investment Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to Abra are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Abra, a crypto investment platform that combines trading, investing, and earning in one seamless app. It's designed for users who want to manage their crypto portfolio with ease, earn interest on their assets, and take advantage of the platform's broad range of cryptocurrencies and fiat options. Whether you're just starting out in crypto or you're an experienced trader, Abra has something for everyone. One of Abra's standout features is its multi-asset support. The platform offers access to over 100 cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, allowing users to diversify their portfolios easily. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or smaller altcoins, you'll find plenty of options to trade and invest in. Abra also allows for the conversion of crypto to fiat, making it simple to use your assets for everyday purchases or withdrawals to your bank account. Another major benefit is Abra's crypto interest accounts. You can earn competitive interest rates on various cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with stablecoins. This feature is great for those looking to make their holdings work for them, earning passive income without having to actively trade. For investors looking for more control, Abra offers Abra Borrow, a feature that lets you borrow against your crypto assets without selling them. This is ideal for those who want liquidity but still believe in the long-term potential of their crypto positions. Security is top-notch with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for your assets, ensuring a high level of protection for your investments. The app itself is user-friendly with an intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate between your investments, interest-earning accounts, and loans. To wrap it up, Abra is a well-rounded platform that offers users a solid combination of trading, lending, and earning features. If you're looking for a secure, easy-to-use platform that supports a wide range of assets and provides opportunities to earn interest, Abra is worth considering. Check out the link in the description to explore more about Abra and start your crypto journey today.